So this one is your today's work. So it's like number 1 and 2, you set it up the equation and you're getting inverse function of that. So let's try number 1 together. So it says Noah's cousin is exactly 7 years younger than Noah. Let C represent Noah's cousin's age, N represents Noah's age. Age are measured in year. Write a function that defines the cousin's age as a function of Noah's age. What are the input and output of this function? So Noah's age, so Noah's age, so which is N, right? How do you get Noah's age? Noah's age minus 7, because cousin is 7 years younger than Noah, right? So you get this, guys. C equals N minus 7. So in this case, what's my input? My input will be N. So N is my input. So input N. And my output C. So cousin's age, that's the output. My input's Noah's age, then that's my input, right? So that's my output, and that's my input, okay? And now write the inverse of the function you wrote. What are the input and output of the inverse function? So now we will find the inverse of that. So I'm gonna solve it for N. So now I want to write something, the function with N, right? Then N equals what? So we need to cancel this 7. So plus 7 plus 7, right? So plus 7 plus 7, then you cancel this and you have only N, and then the other side you have C plus 7. C plus 7. So you know what, they are inverse, right? They are inverse. The input and output opposite. So for this case, my input is what? Cousin's age. So if I know my cousin's age, you add 7, then you can get Noah's age. So this case, your output, Noah. So guys, when you have word problem, then this is the point. So when we just find the inverse function for x and y function, then the thing is we just practice how do you get inverse of that, right? But like this, when you have word problem and each variable have something, then you can just swap your variable, okay? So we are practicing this one. And look at number 2, that's connected. So Noah's cousin is exactly 7 years younger than Noah. Let N represent Noah's cousin's age in month, and N represents Noah's age in years. So if Noah is 15 years old, how old is his cousin in month, right? Then first of all, let's get cousin's age first. So Noah's 15. So this is our input. So let me use that one, this one, right? Because input is N. So I'm going to use this. Then you get C. Cousin's age will be 15 minus 7. So that is 8, right? The cousin's 8-year-old. But what's the question? In month, right? We want to find it in month. So how do you convert it year to the month? How many months in 1 year? 12 months, right? So to get month, we do 8 times 12. So 96 months old. 96, right? When Noah's cousin is 132 months old, how old is Noah, right? Then this one, 132 months old. Then how much years, right? So 132 months, we want to convert it to the year, then we need to divide it by 12. So let's divide it by 12. Then that is 11. So 132 months old, that's same as 11-year-old. So cousin's 11-year-old. Then Noah's age. Then to get Noah's age, we put 11 into cousin. So this time I'm going to use the second function. Noah's age, 11 plus 7. So that is 18, right? If the cousin's 132 months old, then Noah will be 18 years old. And I write a function that gives the age of Noah's cousin in month as a function of Noah's age in year. Then you know what? Cousin's age, right? Cousin's age, that was like n minus 7, right? N minus 7. That was a cousin's age in year. But you want to get what? You want to get the cousin's age in month, right? So to get months old, we just multiply by 12, right? So you just times by 12 here. Then you get months old, right? And I write the inverse of the function you wrote. What are the input and output of this function, inverse function? So then for this one, to get the inverse, we need to solve it for n, right? So we will solve it for n. I will keep working on here. So let's divide it by 12 first. Let me copy this one first. N minus 7 times by 12. And we divide it by 12. We divide it by 12. And then c over 12 equals n minus 7. And we are solving for n, right? So plus 7 plus 7. Then you get c over 12 plus 7. Then that's what you get, only n, right? Then this is, what's my input? My input, c, right? C input, c, that means cousin's age in month. And my output, then my output is what? My output is n, right? Noah's age, that's my output. So we can say Noah's age in year. Okay. Alright guys, so this is it. I assigned some homework for you. So next page you will see 3 different problems. Alright, so try your best and please do it and upload it. I will give you like feedback for that. So if you have any question, text me and please complete your homework. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.